Today we talk about how can you enable timeline mentions store notifications on your Shopify app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on settings. So then when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click on store notifications. So then you just switch into open video here. Then all you have to do, just come to timeline mentions, click in this sign here. Then like you see this color show for us, that's main timeline mentions for store notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.